Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am sharing a new tutorial regarding the cross chain between BSC and Qitmeer Network. Let's get started. Let's open the app CAF wallet. I want to let you know all that the updated version of CAF wallet has been released. You can download the updated version of CAF wallet from www.caf.io. After downloading the latest version of CAF wallet, first go to the segment, which is network segment. Here you can see the mainnet segment. Here you can see the different network chain like Qitmeer network, Ethereum network, Binance network. So first of all, we will open the segment of Binance network, which is here. After opening the Binance network, we can see the interface of Binance network. Actually here the token we can see like USDT, which is under Binance network. Meanwhile, if we click on Qitmeer, then we can see the USDT balance, which is under Qitmeer network. Again, we go to the Binance segment. After that, we will click on network segment, which is bottom. Then we click on cross chain. Here we can see a window that is basically the cross chain window of CAF wallet. Here you can see a USDT, and besides Qitmeer, it indicates that the USDT is under Qitmeer chain. On the other hand, in the below, here is the USDT under Binance chain, which indicates Binance logo in besides the USDT. Now we want to transfer our Binance USDT to Qitmeer USDT. First of all, we will swap. Here we can see from Binance USDT to Qitmeer USDT. Then we will select a amount, like I am choosing the 10 USDT. Here you can see I am selecting 10 USDT balance of Binance chain. Then I will get almost 10 USDT in Qitmeer change. Then click on this button, give your password, click on confirm. After confirmation, go to the network bar, then open the Qitmeer mainnet. Then you can see the balance $9.98, which we just converted ago from Binance USDT to Qitmeer USDT. Here is the window for the Qitmeer network, and here you can see the USDT, which is Qitmeer USDT. So this is the technique you can follow to cross chain your token from any network, BSC network to Qitmeer network. Now I am telling you one point, that this is the page for the Qitmeer network, and here you can see the USDT and Qitmeer mainnet. Now you may find one problem, that is when you deposit your Qitmeer mainnet from Jubi exchange, then the token will be added in assets section. Then you need to do one thing, that is transfer your Qitmeer mainnet token to QNG network. To do so, you need to click here, then select your amount. Suppose I am transferring my 10 Qitmeer mainnet token. Then click to confirm. After clicking confirm, only then you can see your Qitmeer mainnet token into QNG network, and here is the 10 Qitmeer Meer token. And this Meer you can use as a gas fee when you further do some cross chain, like if you want to transfer your Qitmeer USDT to BSC USDT, then this QNG Meer token use will be as a gas fee. I think you got it.